Question of the day. Niggas always buying Goyards, lamb truck, Lulu, Skimmy. You buying that new Skimmy, you know what I'm saying? Edge, lead, hair, that. Okay. You know what's not okay? You niggas skipping over the fact that like braces is mandatory, my nigga. Can we please start letting your best friend, your rich homie know that, you know, dental health is real. You know what I'm saying? You know you can get mouth cancer, my nigga. You know all that money ain't gonna save you from mouth cancer, my nigga. You know that, right? Y'all shit be looking crazy as fuck, my nigga. Like, your alignment, you got your shit looking like a chart. Your shit looking like S&P 500, my nigga. Like, come on, bro. How do we start getting money and then just skip over the fact that, like, niggas will get BBLs? No teeth surgery, my nigga? I know your breath smell like corn chips and hot ass.